Good morning, 7th graders. As we have already studied this, but some of the children have told they couldn't make it as they were not present. So, again, I'm making a video. This monument drawing, that's Taj Mahal. So, here, first, before starting it, kindly set your page horizontally. You can take A3 sheet, A4, any size of your choice. Divide horizontally as well as vertically, draw the diagonal lines, and afterwards we are going to make the boxes. Basically we are going to take it from here. These are the rectangular boxes, then small and the small. So rectangle shape we need to convert it, and all the lines will be starting from the middle point. So keeping this in mind, so let me show you here. Basically we need to make like this. So what is being done, 3 centimeter you can measure it from this side and 6 centimeter height approximately, and make a rectangular box. The make sure it is a symmetrical. How much you take it the width from this side, it should be the same both the side, and afterwards from 1 centimeter leave it small. If it is 3 centimeter, take it 2.5 centimeter. This side also 2.5 centimeter, from the same 1 centimeter down, as it is a symmetrical art, so both the side it should look like the same. So I'm making it slightly big. Over here making a dome, a letter D, you can see it, letter D it is. Over here also you can make a letter D, and afterwards on the top like this. You can see the basic structure is being done. Now from the same place, slightly tilted line, you can take it 2 point, if it is how much you have taken it, this much, half centimeter small, but make sure both the side it is small. The children who are using A3 sheet, they can use a big sheet. And after that, from here, this is a basic structure. And now from here, we are going to leave 2 centimeter and we are going to draw a vertical line. As it is, I told you, basically it is symmetrical. So how much you are leaving it this side, the same it will be going it that side. And another, between these two, one more line you can take it, taking out the center. I have taken it randomly, so over here also. And afterwards we need to make a pillar which is slightly fat from the down and which is slightly and draw narrow from the up, and same dome kind of shape we will be making it this side. Same over here. If you have a more space, children, A3 children, who are using A3 sheet, they can leave a more gap here. Afterwards the same thing we are going to do it this side quickly. Broader from the down and the narrow from the up, slightly narrow from the up, like this, and even this side also. Same way we need to finish this. Now children, over here our basic structure is done. From this 2 centimeter, again measure it and draw a line. After this, one more line you draw. From here take one more line and another half centimeter slightly broader from here. One more line from here. So basic structure is done. After that you can leave 1 centimeter from the down. Again we need to make many boxes. You can see here on a small gap many boxes is being done. The same way we will be doing it quickly. 1, and again half centimeter gap, one more box. Okay, same way we will be doing it this side. Repeating here. Making a arch. If you have a more length, this part is looking, you feel like it is more, so you can divide it into 2 parts. Here I'm dividing into, you can divide it into 3 parts. Here I'm dividing into 2 parts, children. So it's up to you. You can make it 3 also. These are the jharoka kind of thing which the Mughal dynasty or Mughal empires, they used to make it in their architectures or in their buildings or monuments. So here same way I'm doing it very quickly, making the gate. all the places quickly. Here again I'm taking it the same way, small, and after this one more smaller, and then dividing into two, and then gate here. So this is my basic structure of the Taj Mahal is done. Over here also you need to make it like this, children. And afterwards, if you have a very small line over here, you can take it up, and small teardrop this side, and the same way here. Here it will be slightly big compared to this, as it's showing in a perspective way, so the bigger it will be, and over here it will be the small one. So my basic Taj Mahal drawing is done. So now quickly I'm making a water fountain here. You can show the shadow reflection into the water here, but simple, quickly I'm making it easy for you, and I'm making the water fountain here, and I'm showing the water here. Kindly, that's a water part. Over here you can erase these lines, till here you can erase these lines, and on the top of this you can make these kind of thing. You are going to erase this, children, don't forget. So I'm going to make this quickly. After this, on this part, this is a part which you need to draw. I have seen many of the children have done a mistake. They need to draw a straight line. See, children, straight line, and afterwards a triangle shape, a tree kind of thing. Kindly make it all the sides. So you might see that from far these trees are looking big, but as you go closer, far it is looking small, and but as you are close to the drawing, the trees are big. So the tree shading you can do, children, scribbling technique manners. You can fill this with the black thing kind of thing, and so I'm quickly filling it using scribbling manner here. Even this point here, this part, and this part. Trace the thing, and you can decorate it your own way. There are many things which you can add it, as I show you before. You can decorate it. These are the basic skeleton which we have done it. Now you can decorate it in your own way, how you want it. So over here I'm making some line, making one more line here, so making some of the pattern here, anyway how you want it. Here there's a scribbling kind of thing, which is the engraving is done on the marble, so that you can just show it with the simple kind of thing like this. You can add more beauty. You can make it dark slightly, the gate kind of thing. One side you can make it dark. Here you can make one more this. If you have a space, you can make it like that. So ring, center U, and both the side. Over here you can make a ring, 1 and 2. Quickly finish this ring part, children, as we wear the ring and it's going outside the same way we are showing it here. So my Taj Mahal basic drawing picture is completed. You can erase the center line, we don't need this, and afterward trace it with the black sketch pen, and you can do the shading with the pencil shading how you want, children. I have made this YouTube video especially for my 7th graders. So hope you complete it now. Some of the children were saying, ma'am, I haven't done it, I was not present, so let me see now who else complete and show me in the classroom. All the best, children. Very excited to see your creativity, and some of the children, they have done already a fantastic job. So you can create many more things using this reference of the Taj Mahal drawing. Hope you like the simple picture of Taj Mahal in a monument way. See you, children. Bye.